second.
No. All right. Thanks, man. No. It's a cool thing. No, I'm gonna find that shit.
I don't got it. Y'all don't use, we don't use WorldPack?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, did you try WorldPack
I
yet?
don't even think I had a number though.
Yeah, when I was here at Meineke the last time, we had the WorldPack account, yeah. You could probably just call him and just reset it.
Hey, it's Andre, Meineke Northeast Ave. I'm looking for a synthetic diesel trans for a German car. Yes, for German car. For Benz. It's a turbocharged GL 320 CDI 3.0 6-cylinder diesel. 208. That's a 208. 20. You're always gonna find something cheaper.
Right.
There's always motors out there cheaper.
Well, you don't want the customers to find that cheaper.
Yeah.
Well, you don't want them to go nowhere else, but
Yeah, but once you get an estimate, then you start looking for something cheaper.
they always going to do that.
Yeah. So it's like, how can you like defeat that?
Well, you can't predetermine what the customer might think is too high or too low. So you just gotta give them the price and
Yeah, and hope they.
right. They be like, then you talk them, you go down a little bit.
Yeah.
But some customers are just gonna be cheap regardless.
Yeah.
Anything you throw at them, they're going to dislike it.
Just don't have it.
I wouldn't even worry about that. Just shoot them the price, and take it or leave it. This joint cool, y'all. The screen just keeps going and going, just showing you different stuff we do here or we can provide for customers in their cars. This joint is decent though. New screen. TVs. Monitors. Stuff like that. They're hooking up the shop. This is my second time around this shop, so I remember what it used to look like. So they're gonna make this joint look way better.